Ano tawag dyan?
Sulpak.
Din.
Sulpak.
Sige nga, marunong ka ba niyan? Ano unang gagawin?
Get wet paper.
And then?
Roll it up. Get a big piece, but not that big, like this.
And then?
Make sure it fits the hole.
And then?
Do this.
Okay.
Pat, pat.
And then?
I'm just gonna make sure it fits. Okay, when you're done, you get this part. And then do this. Push this stick with this.
And then?
Then
Ooh,
it
that's
makes
cool.
this.
Sino gumawa yan sa'yo?
Tata.
Galing ah.